Okay, so for today's Sundays with Suraj, we have Mehek here, who's the founder of Influence, which is an influencer marketing company, and she's also known as the intern of the entire company. Talk to me more about that.
Okay, so basically the intern of the entire company. So it's basically like people, my team, they ask me like, why do you work? Like, why do you have to be engaged into like everything? Like you might have also seen like I just keep on texting on the group, Rini, why are you not doing this? Ria, why are you not doing this? So Hardik keeps on asking me, Meg, please, वो कर लेंगे, give them some time, they'll do it, they'll respond, उनकी duty है.
Was
But
it the
I'm like, no, they have to
reason?
do it.
Was it the reason why Hardik the other day
Yeah,
sent a long
exactly.
ass message?
Yeah, exactly. Like, रुक जा, मैं कर रहा हूँ ना मैसेज, मैं लिखूंगा उसमें तुझे कोई परेशान नहीं करेगा. एंड देन अगेन मैं लिख रहा हूँ, फिर अगेन आई टेक्स्टेड एंड ही इज लाइक आउट ऑफ दिस, तू ये कर ले, यू आर द इंटर्न, यू आर द ऑपरेशंस हेड, you are the founder, do it all by yourself. So it's like I just don't like people, like responding इतना late, that why not doing this, एक पोस्टर ही तो बनाना है, 2 सेकंड लगेंगे किसी के, फिर भी इतना डिले कर रहे हो तुम लोग. So they are like कि okay, you are the intern and हमें founder वाली feeling आती है.
I definitely enjoy you being involved, dude. I literally text you only. I do
Yeah.
not even text anyone. I keep spamming you with
And
messages.
yeah, and it's like Hardik keeps on asking me like, सूरज ने कहा है कि he will tell you. और मेरे नहीं, finances तुम देखते हो ना, तो you just ask him. He's like, no, he said कि he'll talk to you about it. It's like always
Oh
with
shit.
every client. Literally before this call also, I was just, Swati, do this, okay, I'll be back in an hour. Just do it. And Hardik's like, ठीक है, okay, बस हो गया, कर देंगे वो.
I think I should say sorry to Hardik. I'll be texting him from now onwards.
Yeah, he sent this entire bade wala message also.
I mean, there's a level of comfort. We've been talking for a long
Yeah.
time, so I would obviously want to text you.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll make the change,
But
it's
they,
okay.
but they are like, "Yeah, okay, you are the intern, so you don't need salary also."
Do you take any salary?
Like, not right now. Like, is 300 rupees considered a salary? If any.
Hey, whatever works, man.
Yeah, like whatever. Like, I just order things and I ask Hardik, can I please take 300 from the finances? Can I please take 200? So yeah.
Interesting. And I think, a
Yeah.
lot of founders, they want to be involved because the other
Yeah.
startups that I didn't start them. I was not the founder. I was the initial people, one of the initial people, or the only one who was there. So, even when I do the marketing for my startups, these people always had their hand in it. And once I
Yeah.
almost left left Make Me
It
Garden
gets
because
irritating.
I got irritated.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. This is the same exactly with my interns. Like either we do it or you do it, the entire thing. And many of these people have actually left because I don't let them do the things like pura, and they are like, we got irritated, we cannot work with Mehak anymore. So
But
yeah, so
isn't
Hardik is
it
just
their
like,
job that
yeah, it
you
is.
need to speak for a intern? That's how it works.
Yeah, but like they are like, if we would work from our own time, so give us time, we'll respond to Suraj, we'll respond to the clients. But no, I'm like, you have to respond now only. And then they are like, okay, pay us 20,000, pay us 30,000, we'll work. And again, it's like just, it gets,
It's all about
so
the
yeah.
money for them, huh?
Yeah, all about the money. Like just I just have like 5 to 6 people in my company who are like, okay, influence is my home as well. So yeah, we don't need money, or if we take the money, it's okay with us because first we have to build influence. But for rest of them, I would say that yeah, it is money. At least
I
these
think
people
most
were
of
hearing
them,
this.
for most of the interns, no, I mean, Mehek says that with a good heart. That I'll give her.
Yeah, good.
So, how big is your
Nice.
team now?
So basically, like we have 20 people in the main team, and if
Mm-hmm.
we see like extra people who work from like freelancers, like coming and going for the like SEO work, graphics, or like marketing for the event wala thing.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like 81 people.
Is this a startup which started like 4 months ago or what? What is this?
it's like we are just like very heartwarming. Welcome, okay, anyone can come here.
But that's huge,
We
man.
knew.
E- e-
No, it's like those 81 people of course doesn't know my name. They don't know कि what is the team. They just know कि influence है, हमें उसके लिए market करना है, we have to come, we have to work. Like the SEO guy also, like I was actually checking my LinkedIn yesterday and the
Mhm.
SEO guy mentioned my name, that thank you Mehak, like for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. And I was like, who is this guy? And they were like, he worked for the SEO wala thing.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
awesome, man. LinkedIn is a lovely place.
Yeah,
We
exactly. So
even
yeah,
we
so
got connected through LinkedIn.
yeah, through that. And like if you don't know, like it was my team who was talking to you from my ID in the start.
I didn't know that. Hey, that's a
Yeah.
shitty thing to do.
I hate LinkedIn. I was so active on it पहले, but then I got like so irritated कि लोगों को text करो, फिर wait करो, फिर बात करो. So I like just gave it to my team, like of course to one member. And then it's just like them, they just talk to people and then they connect me with them, like okay, now it's the call wala part, now you have to do it. I cannot do it because I cannot be a boy who is speaking in Mehek's voice.
Was it a guy?
So yeah, they're like Hardik.
Oh my god. Why couldn't Hardik just use his account? He is there on LinkedIn, right?
Because people don't accept his request. सब बोलता है कि मेरे accept ही नहीं करता है, वो request करता समझ के.
I think, women have upper hand there again. Like any social media
Yeah.
platform.
It does, it does. It happened like day before also. Like I asked him ki, do this guy is added on your LinkedIn or anywhere, please follow. So he was like, उसने मेरी तो रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं, तेरी कर रखी है तो ठीक है, मैं तेरी आईडी से ही बात करता हूँ जाके, अब क्या कर सकते हैं. It happens.
But it works. At the end of the day, it works.
It works. I just get the contact number, we get the deal, so it works.
Very true. Okay, so until now, we didn't talk about what exactly is influence. So, what is influence?
So basically, Influence is an influencer marketing company.
Mm-hmm.
We work with influencers in different forms, like getting them collaborations, getting them videos, and asking them for the content, like which we can use on our page, because we also have our Instagram and Facebook profiles
Mm-hmm.
where we put content for the audience, so that, and it's like completely like new and like organic content which they make just for us, and we post it on our profile so that people can use it and people can watch it and they can have fun, share it among their friends. And then we give them brand collaborations, so that because brands look for marketing, they look for
Right.
promotions in their, for their products, for their services. So we connect them with the brands, they pay them a particular amount, or maybe it's like barter sometimes, and then they promote their product and like on their profiles, or maybe they give the videos to the brands, or
Mm-hmm.
like make videos on YouTube or other platforms.
So, how many influencers are you managing at the moment? Or
So
collaborating
at the
with?
moment, so basically we have our 10 in-house influencers who ranges between 5,000 followers to 100K followers, and we have some more like who have 100K more followers. And for like by side, because brands also wants, like we get like influencers who have more than 100K, 200K, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe 500K. So we also contact those influencers, but they are not basically our in-house, so they charge us different amounts, and they also like ask for other benefits, and we talk to their managers, not to
Right.
them directly. Yeah.
So, these 10 in house influencers, are you like building their profiles up on several
Yeah.
platforms?
So basically, we do like we help them with the content. We tell them like what content you should post, and when should you post them. Like we also provide grooming services to various people. Like it's not just that you are an influencer when you should work with us. If you are not an influencer, then also they work with us on the grooming part, on the marketing part, because they just like needs. If you have 1,000 followers, of course you won't get any brand, because what
Right.
would the brand also get? Like in 1,000 followers you don't get to see anything, you don't have a good audience. So we first also groom them with several things, like how should you shoot videos, and what all things you should use in your videos, what type of content you should make in your videos. And then slowly by slowly, as soon as they get their followers and they start building a good reach, we provide them with the good collaborations, and we also like provide them with good opportunities to work on our profile.
So how many companies or how many brands are you working with? Influencers and brands.
So influencers would be like 10 to 15 who are like a permanent in-house, and like also we have a list of 20,000 plus influencers with us from various categories like fashion, food, lifestyle, travel, and like age, like mommy
Mm-hmm.
bloggers who, because there are some brands who have like mommy products and they want like mom bloggers to promote them, or maybe like fitness bloggers also. And then we have brands, like we don't have a brands like every moment. We have like brands come, they get their work done, and then they go, because promotions is a one time thing. So
Acha,
for
for a
that
one-time
we have been
promotional gig.
working. Yeah, they just come, they give their product, they give the monetary value, and then they just like get the promotions done in a span of like 1 week or 2 weeks, and then they go. So for that we have worked till now with almost 18 brands, I would
Okay.
say.
That's interesting because I genuinely feel influencer marketing is so undervalued right now, because there was
Yeah.
this one person with whom I was speaking with who was willing to put in 10k to run ads, wherein it was very evident that if you bought in 2 3 influencers, he would sell, because it was a niche market, and the product and the influencers go right hand to hand, but then
Yeah,
they still don't
exactly.
understand the value. I mean, do you know? I mean, why would people ever think that influencer marketing doesn't work?
हम्म। बेसिकली पीपल एक्चुअली लाइक फील लाइक ओके, उन्हें प्रोडक्ट देने से क्या ही हो जाएगा, उनके क्या ऑर्गेनिक होंगे, फॉलोअर्स नहीं होंगे, ये होगा। बट लाइक दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, लाइक इफ वी आल्सो फॉलो देम एवरी डे, यू आल्सो फॉलो अ पर्टिकुलर स्टार, एंड देन ओनली you get your dresses and like your
Right.
entire thing. So influencers and stars are almost like equal right now. Influencers are those people who are providing you content every day which you can relate with you. Bollywood
Exactly.
stars doesn't do that. They just provide you a illusion of things. Okay, ऐसा होता है, ये होता है. But content creators do. They provide you actually thing which you can relate to. So why can't you just, if they say you anything, why can't you just buy it, or actually spend your money, promoting your product into them? So that is the thing which is coming, and we also face these problems because brands also ask us कि ये वाले influencer, like they ask us कि हम 10,000 देंगे, हमें कुशा दे दो.
Who's
Like there
Kushra?
was this
I'm bad
brand,
with that
like Kusha
person.
is okay, so like Kusha is the, like like most popular influencer right now.
Okay.
She has almost like 1.5 million of following, and she is into movies and everything also.
Okay.
So there was this brand yesterday also, and they were like, if Carrie Minati.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So she was like, I'll give 10,000 and I'll give this product. So carry Minati लाके दे दो. And we were like, okay. Then आगे कुछ और भी, अगर आपको भुवन भी चाहिए और भी चाहिए तो
I mean, few people genuinely think, I don't know, they want such high quality output, but they're willing to spend such low amounts of money for it, which doesn't make sense.
yeah. एंड दे जस्ट से कि बॉलीवुड स्टार्स थोड़ी है, बट काम तो उतना ही कर रहे हैं ना, प्रमोशन तो उतना ही करेंगे ना। अगर एक प्रोडक्ट तुम्हारा 10 मिलियन लोगों को दिख रहा है, तो इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट, अगर उसमें से 100 लोग भी खरीदेंगे तो तुम्हारी वो सारी अमाउंट वापस आ जाएगी। एंड दे
Very
आर
true.
नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड, लाइक दे आर नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड दीज थिंग्स।
Just today, do you know PewDiePie?
नो।
Acha, this guy is the biggest YouTuber. He has the most
ओके।
subscribers right now. As a person, T Series has way more than him, but as a person, he's the most subscribed. I guess at 107 million followers on
ओके।
YouTube.
ओके।
So just today he posted some ad about phone case, and I genuinely went to check it out.
या
I genuinely
सी
went.
See, this is what happens. Like, we can at least make them, go check it out, or maybe, just like go and visit your profile. But these brands are not like able to. बहुत सारी brands ये चीजें नहीं समझती, and that's the only reason that big brands understand these things. They take these people and they are just becoming bigger and bigger day by day. And small brands are just stuck there because they are like कि हम spend करेंगे, हमें उतना होगा या नहीं होगा. But they should understand that big brands जो already इतनी बड़ी है, they are also doing it, and they are doing it for a particular reason. So it's your turn, like smaller brands should definitely do these things.
Like, I
Influencer marketing
agree.
is like growing.
It's
Yeah.
actually, as a matter of fact, I was speaking with my sister yesterday, and she was part of Bahubali movie team for the marketing and the social media aspect of it. So you know when there was a Comic Con in Delhi happening, I guess 3 or 4 years ago, they had Bahubali VR. So you know Bahubali's team wanted to approach Carrie Minati directly back then.
Oh.
Like they saw that you know YouTube is a place where people are engaging and this guy has
Yeah.
gaming followers. We can convey our movie through a game to them.
Yeah, that's like a good market thing.
You know, these people recognized this 4 years ago, and even till now, you have so many people.
Yeah.
They're like,
Who
nah,
don't-
that just doesn't work.
That doesn't work. We would prefer 2 lakhs for a Bollywood star, but they won't do it for these influencers. They don't like, and that is the reason like big people are only getting bigger day by day because they are actually understanding these things.
I agree.
Yeah.
So let's dial back to your college times. If I'm not wrong, you're from DU.
Yeah, Daulat from Delhi University.
I'm guessing that's a very insane university.
Yeah, okay, so you don't know. So yeah, so Delhi University is basically like one of the most like is the like one of the biggest universities like entire India only.
Okay, so you know, run me through your entire concept of your college, how you went through the college, and how did you land at the idea of starting influence.
Okay, so basically, my mom did not wanted me to come to Delhi because like I'm from a small city and she was like very like ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा and she just saw like mom movie also before sending me and she was like पक्का तेरे साथ ही होगा देखियो ऐसे करके and but I came लड़ाई झगड़ा करके so I was like not into college that much I was into always like कि ये वाली opportunity भी लेनी है ये भी करना है because I actually wanted to prove her कि okay अब मैंने ये भी करा देखो I did all of this by myself and everything and plus like my college wasn't like the happening because it's a girls college of course so उसमें
Okay.
वैसे भी कुछ नहीं होता है happening तो इसलिए so I was just always into you know things and stuff and I used to work for organizations also and different works every day so for this influence I came like in my second year when I was like done and I was like I had to do something I was actually first into jobs but then I got rejected by Google so I was
Okay.
like now I have to do something of my own now I cannot do this
We've got to
So-
stand up against Google and prove a point.
yeah like,
I like
Google
that.
ने मुझे कैसे reject किया
I like that.
I'll show you. Okay, so I like then I used to meet like different entrepreneurs who were, you know, like young and doing their own things and stuff. So then I came up with this idea because like there was someone else also who wanted to do this, but he like left in between. So I like wanted to do this. See, okay, I had to go something into creative and marketing because I have those ideas, but I also wanted to keep the psychology wala touch with me
Mm-hmm.
which I don't know how do I use an influence. So yeah. So
I think
just
I
came up-
think you already use your knowledge on psychology unknowingly.
हाँ like some yeah so I use it on clients कि अच्छा ठीक है अब सूरज का अभी दिमाग खराब है तो अभी उन्हें ज़्यादा काम करके देना चाहिए
When was I mad at you?
No, like you know, it happens. Like I can study this, and then अभी सूरज का अच्छा है मूड हार्दिक जल्दी से पैसों के लिए कॉल करो.
I'm gonna remember this every
I
time.
do.
Every time Hardik sends me a text, I'm gonna remember.
सूरज like I really do this. I really do. हार्दिक उस क्लाइंट का अभी बहुत मूड अच्छा है जल्दी से पैसे मंगवा लो अभी के अभी आ जाएंगे.
Did work.
Yeah, it didn't work though. So yeah, so then I just like came up with this idea and like I had some info about influencers, not me entirely. I knew some like okay, this is the influencer, this is this. Then जैसे से धीरे धीरे होता गया तो people started asking me कि इस influencer को बुला ले अपने event पे, इसको बुला ले. So I got to know कि okay ये भी influencer है. And then like things did not work. I just switched off my phone and I just gave up on this.
How do you mean? Tell me more about that. I want to know.
So like I wanted to do this event a year before and I used to like carry my college ka bag and go to you know Gurgaon to different offices and
Wait.
you know, ask for
Are you talking about the same event you're doing now?
Yeah, like
Acha,
this I use
for the
actually.
viewers, she's now
Okay,
doing a. Oh yeah, go ahead. You actually explain it.
okay. So like it's a six city event which we are coming up in which we'll be creating the content and we'll be asking the influencer to tell like how did they start and how do you start with when you don't have money, when you don't have good camera or when you don't have good ideas with you. So dheere dheere and it would be one day event in six of the cities and we'll be taking out winners. We'll be asking you to create content the entire day and we'll be taking winners to Goa for a full, sponsor trip. So go and buy the tickets.
Go and buy the tickets. I highly
Yeah,
recommend that. If I would have gotten them a sponsorship, it would have happened through Hyderabad too. But unfortunately,
yeah,
that didn't happen. Anyways, back to
it
the
happened.
story.
Yeah, then I used to go like carry my bag and I used to go to Gurgaon and other places and I used to ask for sponsorships and partnerships, collaborations, but nothing happened. I just got one sponsorship that to barter.
Mm-hmm.
So I gave up and I was so sad. I just switched off my phone and I went like complete hibernation for 1 month and I went back to my psychology and I started working in an hospital.
Okay,
And
interesting.
I don't know what happened, like Bollywood movie wala scene with me. I just got this energy ki these people are facing so many problems and they are still doing it, so I should also do it. And like I came back and I like, started this again. I tried a different approach because, Due is known for its fest. Like
Mm-hmm.
we have a lot of fest every year and people are like crazy spending on Due Fest because it's like the best artist is coming up. The audience is almost like 20,000 for one day.
Okay,
So
that's
brands
insane.
are like, yeah, like brands are like कि हमें तो करना है. Like you don't have to tell them about the details also. You just tell them यहाँ पर Due का fest है, ये इस college में, and they are like we are in. We have to give the money. Anyhow, just take us. They are like this. So I asked for a couple of sponsors to sponsor in the Due Fest, and then like Ramjas College was my first college, and they were kind of interested into this that I get them a sponsorship and they would, give me a space of their theater or something and I could do my event there.
Right.
So I got a sponsorship. I did my first event there with Ankush and Haslelia team and other people. I also did not have any idea about Haslelia team. But then they came there, so I know okay, now who is Abhishek and all these people. Now I know them. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we did our first event. People were good. Like, okay, they did, Mehak did their first event with these people, like with Shubham, Abhishek, and, Ankush and all these people. So, yeah. So it happened. Then I got a team because people were interested that, okay, they do events with big influencers. So we also have to be a part of this team. And then it started growing dheere dheere. But yeah, my college, it was like I just started losing it. And like, it was always like this only. I was never into like studies and everything. I just passed my 12th अच्छे से so that I could go out and
No, not just
do
अच्छे से,
something.
very the top level अच्छे से.
या like जो शिद्दत हो गई थी ना मुझसे 1 महीने में बाहर जाना है घर से.
I like the story, man. I guess we could make a movie like Jumpy Bet on you.
Exactly. I had to do it anyhow घर से बाहर जाने के लिए और कहीं और ऑप्शन भी नहीं था because like my mom is a single mother, so she is into अगर जाओगे तो दिल्ली जाओ because my brother was also there.
Mm-hmm.
So she was like I could only send you to Delhi, not उसके पार. तो I was
Right.
like कि shit. And दिल्ली में कहाँ? Delhi University क्योंकि my brother was also there and I was like ये कोई मतलब हुआ. Like, क्या करूँ कोई अगर करे भी तो. And देन धीरे धीरे और भी कंसेशंस दिल्ली में कहा नॉर्थ कैंपस में क्यों मेरा भाई वहां था प्लस इट्स सेफ आल्सो साउथ में नहीं साउथ में सारे कॉलेजेस आर स्कैटर्ड हियर एंड हियर नॉर्थ इज लाइक अ हॉस्टल काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग
Okay.
सो आई हैड टू डू एनीथिंग तो वो हो गया बाय चांस कुछ ना कुछ तो
By chance, wow. If only people got by chance into these colleges.
by chance like yeah then it happened like I tried working in these couple of things so yeah influence came.
When did influence even initiate and what was the idea behind it?
Mm, So there was no idea as such. Like I always wanted to do something related to psychology only. So it's like still completely different. But it was like I told you, I used to meet different people. So they were like, one of them gave me this idea that this is something which is coming up and it's gonna grow and everything, because I was never personally a fan of influencers. So
Mm-hmm.
I was always like, they have these guts to do these things, which is like very, very good,
Right.
and they can do it, which other people cannot do it. So they are a biggest motivation to us. And then I just saw them, researched about them, and I saw like there's so much creativity, there's so much like marketing in these things, and there's so much potential which still needs to be like discovered and everything. So then I started, and it just like I had to start this thing with one of my friends, and we had a fight before starting it.
Oh, was it
I
Hardik?
got no, 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 no. It was a girl, like someone, so like we had to start it, but we got into a fight because we were not able to like give equal time to it.
Mm-hmm.
I was so much into it, I had to do it, and she was into ho jayega kar lenge, but then it just like got fight, and I also got like dhamkiya, I'll sue you if you do it and everything. So then it like when I said I'll do it, okay, bye. And then it went, and like we are normal friends also. So yeah, it just like came into use. And then we at first I just had this event wala concept.
Mm-hmm.
I never knew these collaborations wala, and I always thought that pitching sponsors and all these things are not my thing.
Right.
But then dheere dheere we tried due to Corona. So things started working. We started with 1500 ki sponsorship, like the first one, and
Mm-hmm.
we gave them like अच्छे खासे influencers, convinced them, and like gave them. फिर उसमें से also we did not get the entire amount. We got just 750.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why didn't
Then
the rest come in?
because I don't know, like she, like my member promised something to her, and then she was like, I want this, and I was like, ये नहीं हो सकता है 1500 में, this cannot be done. And then they just like we won't give it, kar lo jo karna hai. And we were even like registered yet, so we
Mm-hmm.
couldn't even do anything. So yeah, so then we started growing dheere 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 dheere. So now we are like to bigger collaborations, to other things, and like we got content creators for our in-house who make content, who added value to our page, who started making videos so that people could see that okay, we also have something on our own.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, then it just started working.
Since I guess it's been 4 months, or how long has it been since you started?
See, like the idea and the Insta page was done last September,
Okay.
but we started in like exactly we started this in March. So it's like almost 8-9 months.
Acha, with the pandemic, you had a good start.
Yeah, like it was a good thing for us. Corona
That-
was a good thing.
I know, I also tell it. Corona was a very good thing for me.
It
Unfortunate for
was.
others, but
Yeah, like
I made good use of it.
yeah, like we also made a good use of it. Like also like I touched Corona also. I also went to the hospital, but still it went good. Like
Dude, you are the all-star, man. You have drama in your life. You've been affected by
no,
Corona. Your startup is taking off.
कौन like it's like कि अगर कुछ इतना बड़ा आया है तो वो बिना टच करे थोड़ी जाएगा मुझे, तो Corona had to touch.
वो भी ट्राई कर लेंगे.
It also happened like injections ले लिए थोड़े, कोई नहीं.
Damn, man. Damn. How was your entire recovery with Corona?
It was like ठीक, मतलब 2 महीने in a, मतलब literally 2 months in a room.
Mm-hmm.
First 1 month in the hospital, just like everyone wearing those kits, and you couldn't meet anyone, and it used to be 7-8 injections per day.
Okay.
And like it also taught me a good thing, to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning, because they used to come for blood samples every morning.
Okay.
So it was like a good thing. But yeah, it was like tough in the start. I had a breathing problem, but then it like slowly became easy and easy, and then I came home. But then again, first one entirely home, disposable plates में खाना, no family member. Like I also celebrated my birthday भी ऐसे ही बाहर से cake.
But you were recovered though, right?
Yeah, but like you have to be quarantined ना घर पर like 1 महीना.
Acha. I'm sure that would have
Because
been a
you
very self-help kind of journey.
Yeah, like very, like I used to wake up 4 a.m. and I used to make every team member also wake up, and we used to do the work, and like I really realized that waking up early actually helped me finish entire work, by 12 p.m. max. And we were done with our work. And then we used to, try on new things, and we also learned new things, and we got new people to our team. We got like new collaborations and everything, because we started doing these things by time and time. And, the evening time was free with me and everything.
I love it. I love the concept of waking up early. That is why even
Yeah,
if you
it's good.
observe, I keep messaging you only in the mornings.
3 a.m. message.
I wake up early. That's when I'm active.
And Riya asks me कि please मुझे बता दो like कि ज्वेल try on के लिए क्या काम करना है. And I'm like, सूरज 8 p.m. He slept. Now अब 3 a.m. पूछ रहा text करके.
Dude, there was this one time where we had to make some creative for Jewel Try On, and it was getting extended.
Yeah.
Manish calls me up and he's like, bro, just stay awake. Finish this and sleep.
Yeah, like I was like कि नहीं जल्दी जल्दी रिया. I always like whenever she's dealing it, I'm like please 8 बजे से पहले please, वरना मुझे सुबह 3 बजे उठ के डांट पड़ेगी.
Hey, I don't
I
scold you. I don't scold you.
like like वो delay हो जाएगा एक और दिन पूरा का पूरा.
It's okay. We just deal with it. And you being so sweet,
Yeah.
I let it be.
Thanks.
So, now tell me, how was a day like in your life, since you started this off as a concept and now it has actually grew to such a scale that you have people who are working with you with several brands. How is it for a day like in Mehak's life?
So it's like exactly not normal,
Mm-hmm.
because I was always this dumb kid in school.
That makes two of us.
Exactly. And dumb people only, make these big startups. So, yeah,
Oh, thank you. Thank you for one considering me dumb and considering my startup great.
the big startup. Yeah. So basically, I like was this into gossips and everything, like बेकार के काम धाम सारे. So I was like like right now I left all my friends and everything. I have my friends and just like two, three who believe in me and everything, and they don't need to give me time. I don't need to give them time. So it's like major fuck ups in the entire day. I am like, kabhi it's like good whenever I get something good, or
Mm-hmm.
something, and it's also time like whenever I'm getting something new, but it's like a very fucked up day because I couldn't have my personal time, or something, because it's like everyone like expects you to be online and be active all day. Otherwise they are like कि अगर founder ही online नहीं है तो why would we stay online, why should we work the
Mm-hmm.
entire day. So it's like you have to give your best. You cannot just get gayab or do these things. But it's like more of a learning lesson. Like I'm doing this with you, so I would have never imagined this in school. Like the 16-year-old me would have never imagined me being sitting on a podcast and giving this on. Never. Like, so it's like good learning new things and discovering new things, doing things with your own money. That is the best part of this, is being independent and doing these things. Like I just went Delhi and I was like, for the first time, I am not taking a single money from home. I have it entirely me. बल्कि मेरे पैसे मुझे भेजो मेरे अकाउंट में जल्दी से. It was like that. So yeah, so it's like normal, but like fuck ups happen because of like managing sort of issue. Because I think like I cannot manage these things, like my personal time and my those times also, because you also have to have fun at your work. You also have to give them your personal time. You also have to talk to them. Like I cannot just expect my members to work for me. I
Right.
have to be their friend. I have to talk to them the entire day. Okay, कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या हुआ, okay, did this happen, okay, अच्छा तुम ये भी कर रहे हो, अच्छा ये भी हो रहा है. तो you have to be there, because so that then only they'll be there with you for आगे भी जाके and everything. So yeah, so it's like you have to be like everywhere, but it's like good, like it's learning new things, and being the independent part is the most good part right now.
I'm sure, man. That is a feeling, nothing
Yeah,
beats
the
that feeling.
independent. Yeah, the independent वाला कि चलो अब ठीक है.
That's awesome. And I'm sure, you spending
Yeah.
more time with all your members, whoever are part of influence, I think that is your key factor why your business is working. That's probably because
Yeah.
you're making it stick together.
Yeah, like exactly, like when you don't have, like when I'm not in a mood, I still have to, like be a part of their एवरी बकवास और बकचोदी जो भी वो पूरा दिन ऐसे लाइक करते रहते हैं ना कुछ भी कि ये हो गया ये हो रहा है ये हो रहा है तो लाइक आई हैव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट बिकॉज आई लाइक समटाइम्स आई फील लाइक क्राइंग एंड आई एम नॉट इन अ मूड बट आई कैन नॉट लेट देम नो
No,
इट और
right.
शो इट बिकॉज देन दे विल बी लाइक अच्छा मैं क्या हुआ अच्छा ये टेंशन मत लो अच्छा हम ये कर देंगे यू हैव टू बी कि अच्छा ये कर रहे हो ना चलो साथ में करते हैं चलो अच्छा इसकी ये ले रहे हो चलो साथ में लेंगे तो
I
दीज
think
ऑल
that
थिंग्स
is a
आल्सो या
differentiator, man. You saying this, I could relate, but at the same time, I've seen a lot of people who started something, not at a very big scale, but even the small scale ones, they cannot keep their emotions together.
yeah.
If
Yeah,
their
like
personal
because
life is
there
fucked
is
up,
so
they
much.
fuck up the business too.
It does. It happens. It happens. Like, personal and, professional, it gets mixed up sometimes. And I also feel I have done it. Like, I have sometimes, like, asked Hardik or, other people ki please meetings ले लो because I'm not in a state of mind right now. And I also make excuses which were like, like ये हो गया, वो हो गया.
Mm-hmm.
I have to go there, I have to be there. But वो हुआ नहीं होता. I just want to be, by myself. But then it's like कि नहीं that money is gonna be the main friend or your main partner. You cannot let those personal experiences fuck you up in that area, so be there. कोई नहीं हो जाएगा ठीक. So yeah,
I
it
completely
happens.
resonate with what you just told, dude. So there's this one rapper, he had a saying that don't get mixed up with your emotions, turn them emotions into money, boss up.
Yeah, exactly.
I love what he told, and when he was saying that, that was being played.
Like there's also this key crying BMW is better than crying Maruti, so it's better first buy a BMW and then cry in it, at
It's
least you'll get
like,
a
think
better
long
view.
term, man. Cry. We're not asking you not to cry.
Exactly.
Cry in that.
Yeah. Cry
Uh,
in that it would be more comfortable.
I definitely agree. So, there's this one question. I genuinely wanted to know something about influence, dude. I'm unable to recall that.
Okay.
Fuck it. But in between, you mentioned something that you stopped hanging out with a lot of your friends because
Yeah.
that was affecting your work life or your business. Could you speak a little more about that?
Like it was not affecting because I haven't started it yet, but it was like, like they were not letting me, go any further step. Like they were like they were just keeping it me like just there where I was, but
Mm-hmm.
they weren't letting me go, a step further, or they were not into these things. So I actually wanted to come out of those things and work, but then there was these expectations and stuff that you have to give time to us, and you have changed, you are working on your things, and what about us, and like all that kind of a drama from friends. So
Right.
I had to like actually take the phone and text them that we are done, and I literally texted my friends like I
It's
like
a tough one, but that's a very
yeah.
helpful decision, man. I
Yeah,
have to tell you that.
yeah, like of course I regret this because like they were my friends and they were also there with me like in some times, but I had to do it. Like we cannot be friends anymore, or I just started leaving the contact and communication part and everything. But then I realize it now that like this is maybe that was for the best. So yeah.
Definitely, man. Definitely. There are few people, there are just two kind of people, man. One, actually three. One who will drag you down, one who will just
Yeah,
hold you and not let you go anywhere, and three
exactly.
who will either uplift you or help you go somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. Like if they are not able to help you, but at least they should be there. Like for now, like I have two, three of my best friends. So they don't ask me to, like we don't chat every day. We don't even
Right.
chat for like weeks. but whenever we do it like अच्छे से, or you know, like we talk about shit. We literally talk about shit. होगी किसका लगी shit आई, या you know, like all these things. Like it's just like when you have to talk, you just, you know, talk for fun. You don't have to know about your personal things, or you know, you don't have to know like I just told her that, you know, I am gonna give a podcast with this person and everything. And then she just texted me अगले दिन, okay, हो गया क्या, कैसा हुआ भाई, ऐसे वगैरह करके. And we haven't like, you know, talked 2-3 हफ्ते से.
Right.
So it's like you don't have to talk every day, but whenever I need them, I can text them that, okay, I'm not okay, just like, you know, talk to me, or okay, let's go here, or let's go there, or ऐसे करके. So I just want those people in my life right now, and know कि हर दिन बात करो या ये करो, or you know, solve my problems, and you know, do this, do that.
I think those kind of friends who understand your point of view and the priorities, it's basically
Exactly.
upon priorities. Not everything can be at the same level. And the ones who understand
Exactly.
that, I think they are the real ones.
Then they vibe with each other.
Right. Okay, so tell them where can they find you? Or better yet, I'm guessing you're not there on any social media platform.
Like Facebook I am, but like I
Yeah,
just
let's
थोड़ा सा
chuck
कम.
Facebook. Nobody goes there anymore. Okay, just mention. Tell me where can they find influence?
Okay, so influence is on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, YouTube,
Go on.
everywhere. Any other site left? No, yeah, it's everywhere. It's on Google. We have a website.
Mm-hmm.
So it's from INFLUNC. It's like Influnk with influence. And you can find us there. Just follow us, and you know, you can have best content, any related information to influencers, digital marketing, or anything.
I really would suggest you to go check that out because it has amazing content from several different content creators.
Yeah.
So, I'll drop the link in the description. You can go check that out. And thank you so much once again, Mehak, for, coming out
Thank
of
you,
this
Suraj.
podcast.
No, thank you so much.